Hello! Today we're going to talk about Alice in Wonderland.
Back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Lewis Carroll's Alice in Wonderland. This crochet pattern book is filled with the colorful characters of Alice in Wonderland. Let's take a look. Here's the cover. Crochet stories. It's the back. Look at this little tea service. Very cute. Here's Alice with the white rabbit. Here's the dodo, the Cheshire cat, the Mad Hatter. I love the purple jacket. And they're having a tea party with the little mouse. I really do adore these little cups. And here's the Queen of Hearts, looking quite stern. And the playing cards. And all the crochet flamingo mallet and all the other stuff that's in the story as well. And that's it. It's such a cute book filled with cute crochet patterns. Check it out if you want. The link to the description. The link is in the description below. And as always, happy crocheting!